It's like everybody seeing life different. The people never seem to make their own decisions. In the prison of our own thoughts, and there's always something missing. No wonder we all pissed off, disconnected from each other. Every human in their own world. You could tell by how they look at one another. Maybe times change with the economy, maybe technology, or the loss in equality. I ain't asking for apologies, I just wanna show you how we living from an outside view. What we lacking is in honesty, so the words will lose meaning like whatever we second is not true. We'll worry about tomorrow, but today is right now. And happiness is getting what we want right now. Cause most people only living through their mind, and they won't realize they alive till they died. Yeah,
It don't matter what they say, no two people love the same. Only you can find your way. Yeah.
this for the best times, this for the worst times, and you know
Life is what you make it.
this for the last time, this for the next time, and you know
Time they never wasted, yeah. Shit,
this is the best time, there might be a next time.
Just be happy you're breathing,
Yeah, we got a war with ourselves, and we always seem to take it out on everyone else. We complain about the hand we've been dealt. Like you're not in my shoes, you were never gonna know what I felt. Our guards up, never letting anyone help, when we really trying to figure what we did to ourselves. When you buy your happiness, you need something to sell, and the only way to get into heaven is through hell. This negativity's a recipe for enemies, and everything we thinking that we need ain't a necessity. Found a better me through a better you, but to understand peace, something man can't do. We need change in order to pull through. There's one right way, do what works for you, and do what you gotta do, cause you gotta do it. Put your hands up if you down with the movement.